welcome to Get Snatched. And we have completed week 2. I don't know about y'all, but it got better this week. You see, I'm even cuter this week. Last week, I was so busted, I ain't even care. I said, I'm gonna just make this video. I don't care. I can be busted, whatever. But this week, because things are getting better and I'm feeling myself, I thought I would be cute for you guys this week. And a gift to myself for staying on track was getting my nails done. Okay? Do that. You got to do stuff for yourself. Love your life and reward yourself when you know you worked hard this week like I did. Now, even if you didn't work so hard, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Like I told you, this is going to be a 52-week journey. Okay, you're gonna have some good weeks, you're gonna have some bad weeks, but all I'm saying is stay motivated and get in there. If you messed up a couple of days, that's okay. Get back on the horse, keep going, because we always have that, oh my God, I gotta give up because I messed up this week. No, that's just fat girl brain talking. So this week, what I was able to do is I stayed focused and made sure I walked my little 2,000 steps a day. That ain't a whole lot, but it's a hell of a lot more than I was doing, because baby, I was walking from my bedroom to the bathroom to the kitchen to sitting down in this chair working. That was it. And honey, that might have been 500 steps a day, sometimes less than that. Now you know that's trifling. So now I did do my 2,000 steps a day and more most of the time. So when I go up, I'm gonna stick with this for a month. See, I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna make a shift every month. Then that way you've gotten into it, you've really conquered it, did what you're supposed to do, so then you're ready to go to the next step. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So basically, like I said, exercise wise, I did my workouts. I am doing cardio on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I am doing weights on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Now my weight training is basically my exercise bands or resistance bands or whatever you want to call them. I have the ones that I can use all over, and I also have the exercise bands for your thighs, because my thighs are so weak. It's a shame. I think I told y'all that story where I couldn't even hardly get up after eating everything I could hold at Red Lobster. So my, your legs be trembling and shit. Yeah. I was like, oh no, this is not me, because I used to bench press 400 pounds. Okay, I was not playing. So that is what I got done. So exercise, figured out what days I do what. You all have the videos where I've gotten all kinds. So on your cardio days, there's something in there for you. On your days of working with weights, I have stuff on there, because it's important that you do both. And if you want to combine, like on one day doing both, then you need to do the weights first and then the cardio. Okay, not the other way around. All right, so you got to get the muscles hot and whatever, and then that'll really help you with your cardio, and then you're gonna keep burning for hours after that. Just straight cardio, your body will adjust to it so fast, because like I said, since we've been trying to do this so long, your body is so used to the diet thing, the yo-yo thing, the kind of working out, kind of not working out. Get to it. Okay, and that's what I use my journal for. It really was helpful for me to write down what I was doing, the workouts I was doing, keeping track with that, and I have a Fitbit. Like I said, that's the next best thing you should have during this journey. With my Fitbit, I can keep track of what I'm doing, how I'm working. I can even put the time I've spent doing a workout or what, and it's going to calculate and show you all that stuff at the end of the week. And you also can connect your Fitbit to my fitness pal, where then you can put in, if you're putting in how much exercise you're doing, it's going to track that and subtract it from the calories you're supposed to have. So then you can see if you're in a deficit, and then you'll see what you're eating, because you can log everything. That database is amazing. How much stuff you can even, I think, yeah, take a web link, a URL of a recipe, and put it in there, and it'll calculate the stuff for you. So there's no excuse that you can't put the stuff in. Now, is that a little time consuming? Yes. Are you worth it? Absolutely. Put it in there so then you can see. If you're like, oh damn, why ain't I losing weight? Well, if you put pasta in there and a whole bunch of other stuff, you see how many, and be honest about your servings, you'll see where you messing up. Because, and then it's going to take away what exercises did you do that day. Did you exercise enough that day? It is what it is, people. If you want to get to this, and I'm determined, if you want to lose it and get on top of your health during this damn pandemic, then it's time. You can't be lazy. You can't be just thinking stuff is gonna happen. No, make it happen. That's the only way it's gonna work. Make it happen. So like I said, I got my food plans together. I'm looking at when I take my insulin, how I take my insulin, all of that, to make sure that is in order. Okay? And so then therefore I'm not bottoming out or whatever when I exercise, or if I didn't eat enough or whatever. You have to, as diabetics, for you all that are, you know what to do. You know what you have to do to stay on top of that, to make sure you're doing it right. I also am taking my supplements. I'm taking elderberry. I got a chewable or whatever to try to start helping build my system up. I'm really thinking about getting some black seed oil. Those are the things that I want to do to try to get my health together all the way. Okay, because that's what you need to do in addition to taking that shot, or if you didn't take it. Okay, and I'll be honest with y'all, I haven't taken it. So my thing is, I got to get healthy. Otherwise, this is what's the impetus of me doing this in the first place, to get as healthy as I can. Okay, what other things did I want to talk about? Oh, I changed my schedule, and I'm staying up late and I'm sleeping during the day. So I had to like flip everything. And with intermittent fasting, you still don't eat at night. Even if I'm like second shift or whatever, I was making the mistake last week of putting my 6-hour window, part of it was in the middle of the night. No, you're always supposed to eat during the day. So now my 6-hour window is from 6 a.m. to noon. That's when I eat. That's when I get mine in. And that's far enough away from when I go to sleep that I'm not laying down on food getting heartburn. Okay, so I'm going to keep testing this out and see. I'm not going to weigh myself for a month. Okay, because I just don't like getting in and looking every day and getting pissed off at myself. No, I'm just going to wait. And then I'm going to also re-measure myself, because sometimes you don't lose weight, but your measurements have gone down. You've lost some inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I even bought batteries for my scale, because you know I was telling y'all my scale was tripping. So okay, I just was blaming it on the scale. So now I got batteries in that bad boy. So what it say is what it say, and that's what my ass is. So anyway, it's okay. I hope y'all are getting motivated. I hope you're filling out the stuff, figuring out what you need to do. Like I said, use that Eat This Much website has helped me tremendously to come up with different meal plans and my grocery list. So I will pull it for tomorrow, and then I'll know what to buy for the week coming up. So look below in the description. I'm going to put a link to that as well as all the other links that we have to really get started. So I hope all is going well with you. I hope everything is working out. I hope you're feeling better. I actually am feeling better. Y'all can tell my energy level is going back up, which I love because I pretty much am a hyper person. Like I said, I'm the skinniest fat chick you will meet because I am a little hyper. So that is it for week two. We doing the daggone thing. And if y'all have any questions or anything, please go to our group page, which will be listed below as well, and put in some input, get some stuff going, understand what you're doing, and stay motivated. And like I said, give yourself some kind of little reward. So I think if I do pretty good this week, I'm going to go buy me a new workout outfit. Okay? You deserve it, and do the doggone thing. I will see y'all next week.